Alright, good afternoon everybody. I'm on my way to go pick up a dump truck and hopefully a tractor. I'm not sure if the tractor and the dump truck are going to fit on the same load, but I'm going to try. I'm bringing out the Big Tex 22 GN. It's a 25-foot trailer in all, but the deck itself is only 20 foot, so hopefully I can put the ramp straight up and fit both of them on, but we'll find out. So as I was leaving the property, I was thinking, oh man, I should turn around and go get my ramps from the dump trailer, and I need to get my bar that crosses the front. Maybe I can tow both of these at the same time. Put the tractor above the gooseneck, like halfway, and then the truck will just tow up on behind. So I am going back to the house right this second, and I'm gonna grab those parts and see if I'm able to make this work. I don't want to make two trips. It's an hour away, so it's 4 hours of driving, not worth it. So let's see if we can do both of these rigs at once. So I'm going to take that bar that I've made, I'm going to put it up there. It bolts up perfectly right above the winch, and then I'll grab my ramps and I'll bring those with us. Grab the ramps from here. I have to lift the dump trailer bed to get up. They store them under here. I'm always worried that when I put these in or take them out, the whole dump trailer is going to crush me. Okay, I got it strapped down. One strap should be good enough. So it's super tight. Throw the strap in here. Right, there's the dump truck. There's a tractor. It's got a mower on the back. I'm going to try to get the tractor above and the dump truck on the back. I've measured it out and I hope it should fit. Get some air in these tires real quick. Hopefully they don't blow up in my face. Back ones are fine. Gas engine. Ugh. Oh well, it's free. Hopefully my plans work. I'm skeptical on it. Hard part, it doesn't run. Can't get this to go up, so I'm gonna have to finagle this deck up and over the ramps of the trailer. It's been a little complicated here, but it's getting there. It's kind of my only option. Hopefully I can get this far enough up so I can get the wheels over the gooseneck, and then I can get the truck on. I don't know if this is gonna really work, because this might get in the way. I might have to take it down or off so the truck can go over this. Might have to take some stuff apart. I'm hoping and praying it works. This is I measured it, but I was like off a couple feet, which I knew I was already going to be off. So I'm hoping that the truck will fit right over the deck, because it's kind of high. So if I have to just take some stuff off, then, you know, whatever. It's going to drop. Now we're going to remeasure and see what I have to possibly take off here. If I have to disconnect all this, and I have to disconnect all that. Sitting right on the oil pan, which I don't really like, but there's nothing I can do about it now. I've got from the front of the deck to here, I've got about a little less than 18 feet, and I think the truck is 18 feet. So I'm going to go measure it again and see what I can do here. It's 18 feet from the front bumper to right here. I need to figure out how to lift the bed up so I can get that block of wood out of there. I don't know how I'm going to do that. Maybe a jack or something. I think it's lifted up to keep rain from sitting in it with all the trees and leaves that are in it. The bed of this is full of dirt, so shoveling it out. Definitely, I mean, a lot of work. I was already tired, but I'm really tired. Oh well, almost not much left. That's it. Okay, I was able to get that board out with the sledgehammer and the jack. So now we gotta lower it down, hopefully drag it out. I've come this far. Let's go all the way. Well, I did it. It's up there. Oh man. There's a set of discs over here he said I could have. That's awesome. They're over here in the grass. I'll try to get these in the morning. Trying to get the bed to go down. We're gonna smack it with the excavator here, or the backhoe, smack it here. That line just blew. That sucks. I got lucky that I used my head and brought my ramp system that I made. Otherwise, I'd be on my way back for a second load to get this thing. So I'm going to throw a chain probably around this whole thing because it won't go down. And then I've got to strap the door shut because it keeps opening. But I'm gonna finish chaining up the front of the truck. Got chain on the back. Got to tie my strap on the back there. For the ramp, I've got the strap holding the ramp up because my bars were just 2 inches too short. But I still have lights because I made these because I knew that if I have the ramps up, people wouldn't be able to see the lights that are down below. But yeah, tomorrow will be good. I'll get up at like 5 in the morning or something, and I'll head back out here and I'll get the set of discs and maybe the little trailer that's next to the discs. All right, now the fun part. Getting it all off the trailer and putting it somewhere. I'm gonna use the SVL 97 to drag the dump truck off. And I'm not sure what I'm gonna do to get the front of this tractor off the trailer. Because I also need to get it off the front and pull it back at the same time almost. But because the oil pan is right there. And the drain plug is right there on the frame that I made. We'll see. Right back out here, about to try to drag out these discs. Not a super big set of discs, but it's good enough. And it's free, so doesn't matter. So my plan, since I can't really jackknife my trailer up here, is to just hook a chain to somewhere on it, to somewhere on the trailer here, and just drag it out of this hole so I can get down to the hill where it's straight, and then winch it onto the trailer. There's this other little trailer here, but I don't really... I could probably get it too, but I don't really care about it, so I don't know if it's really worth my time getting. So I decided I'm gonna put a chain wrapped around here somewhere, probably on the end there, have the cable go through it over to this, and then I will just drive the truck out. That way I don't have to winch it till I get out there, and I don't have any longer chains than this. I have one longer one, but I don't feel like getting it. There's some old rippers sitting up here. I don't know where those go. I wonder if there's a box scraper somewhere around here. So I don't see a spot where you would put rippers at. Looks like there's 3 of them. Unless the box scraper is in there. Buried somewhere. I'm gonna look around real quick. I'm gonna have to call the guy, because there he is. Box scraper right here. 3-point. See if I can drag that out too. That'd be awesome. Here she comes. Full of dirt. Unfortunately, it's digging dirt as it's coming out. There's another way I could drag this thing out of here. Any teeth in here? No. Some peanut butter. See if it happens when you start looking for more stuff. Sometimes you find more stuff. I like that this trailer is tilt. I hate that it has fenders. Fenders are so annoying. Okay, change of plan. Oh, there is the little trailer back in here. I'm gonna try to drag it out. He says take it, get it out of here, so I'll try to. I don't know how long it is, so hopefully we can make it fit on this trailer. All right, so what other goodies we got up in here? Nothing? Nothing. Man, no dead bodies, no nothing. Anything up in here? I see a lizard. There's a lizard up in there. Over there. Oh, poison oak. You know, I was kind of wondering if there's poison oak in here, and it's right there. Let's get out of here. I won't deal with that. Just makes my skin crawl, that stuff. Alright, let's figure out how to load this thing. Everything's on there, it's all strapped down, ready to get out of here. Guys, that wraps it up for that video. Stay tuned for the next videos where we're going to try to get that John Deere tractor start and run. Thanks for watching.